Today we are going to learn water animals name. Hello, I am a jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Hello, I am a starfish. S for starfish. Hi, I am a golden fish. G for golden fish. I am a seahorse. S for seahorse. Hello, I am a walrus. W for walrus. Hi, I am a clownfish. C for clownfish. Hello, I am a turtle. T for turtle. Hello, I am an octopus. O for octopus. Hello, I am a crab. C for crab. Hello, I am a dolphin. D for dolphin. Hello, I am a whale. W for whale. Hi, I am a shark. S for shark. Hi, I am a lobster. L for lobster. Hi, I am a squid. S for squid. Hello, I am a stingray. S for stingray. Hi, I am a swordfish. S for swordfish. Hi, I am an angelfish. A for angelfish. Hi, I am a seal. S for seal. Hello, I am an eel. E for eel. Hello, I am a manatee. M for manatee. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.